Hi dear viewers, welcome back to Ajmera Fashion. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan, and in today's video I am going to show you the collection of fancy girls top. So please keep watching this video if you want girls top in a wholesale direct from a manufacturer. Let's move forward and let's see the first sample. Actually these product I am going to show you, these are very simple and for a daily wear uses. And let me show you this next piece, which is coming with the kind of hoodie pattern and coming with the long sleeves, coming with this very decent alphabetical printing over here. Same way, let's move forward and let's see this very sober piece. You can see coming with this black color and again alphabetical printing we are providing you here. We have lots of varieties pattern. Just an example, this is very fancy and very unique piece, and you can see the color combination, like we have all kind of colors, simple, sober, heavy, fancy and English colors and rainbow colors, all kind of colors over here. Same way, again a bit fancy, you can see coming on a rayon fabric, coming with this kind of value addition we have done here. Same way, look, best for a jeans and for a teenage girls. If you want an example, you can see this long top, best for a jeans. You can see very traditional kind of look we are providing you here, and color combination is evergreen, black and white. Let's move forward and let's see this digital printed top, long top over here. You can see coming with this neck area, Chinese neck we are providing you, and same way let's go to the heavy printing over here. So coming with the georgette fabric and digital printing we have done over here. It is very pretty, and same with the fabric quality is also very good. Look, in the digital I have 2 or 3 kind of different varieties. You can see this is a meti fabric, and in a hosiery cotton hosiery fabric we are providing you here with a different kind of minimal printing. You can see the varieties over here, like lots of pattern we have. Today we are just watching a girls fancy top, but except this we have lots of varieties, just like sari, kurti, lehenga, nighty, dress materials, ladies undergarment, blouse, petticoat, menswear, kidswear and lots of things. That's why if you want to start your business and want clothes in a wholesale, so this is best place for all of you, because we are giving everything in a lowest range. We are giving you a salesman. Whenever you will come here, we will provide you one salesman, and that salesman will guide you that how you can purchase from entry to exit. That salesman will be with you, and that salesman will be your language. If you are comfortable with the English, we will speak in English with you. If Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Punjabi, Bengali, Sindhi, Marathi, Hindi, all languages salesman we have here. So that is plus point. And again, we just don't provide you the cloth, we don't just sell you the cloth, but also the knowledge about cloth we provide, like which fabric is this, which kind of varieties is this, how to sell to your customer, which kind of margin you should add in this kind of products. So every single guidance we provide you. So what a retailer needs more than this, because that is plus point for retailer to join Ajmera Fashion. Let's move forward and let's see another sample over here with this very pretty color, lavender color, and you can see the sleeves over here. I want to show you the sleeves pattern. You can see very fancy pretty sleeves pattern, and we have done value addition on it too. And you can see the colors. We have all sizes, small, medium, large, XL, double XL, triple XL sizes we will provide you over here. And you can see, look, and these are just the tops, but we have denim jackets too. Now we are heading towards denim jackets. So let's just keep this aside over here and let's see denim jackets. These are just samples. Look, this is very pretty and very unique. Same way, you can see the combination of light and dark color. If you want in a different kind of colors, we have in a different kind of colors too. So this was the front and back look. Again, one more sample. Look, very unique piece we are providing you here, and we have different kind of ranges over here too. Now you might have question that, ma'am, why you are not disclosing the price? The main reason why I am not disclosing price, if I will disclose price, that will be problem for all of you to add your margin. That's why I want to know price, or else have any inquiry, direct contact us. Let's move forward and let's just have a quick look of a jeans, girls jeans. Look, If you want to see collection, want to order online, what you can do, You can see the numbers on screen. Just go there, call there or message there. Further information our online sales executive will provide you. So friends, you should definitely keep these things at your place so that you can add your good margin in your business. So this was our video about girls top and a bit jeans. If this video was informative for you, don't forget to like this video, share this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan. That's it for today. Signing off.